Welcome back to the channel here, guys. My name is Christopher from Cars Unlocked. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Nissan ProPilot Assist, what it is, how it works. So if you have a Nissan, this will be a video for you. Let's jump right into it. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more Nissan content, lots of tutorials about how to do things all in your Nissan, set up your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, sync your phone, garage door opener. We have lots of tutorials, but let's get started on the ProPilot Assist for 2024. Nissan is calling it the ProPilot 1.1. So they've made a few updates to this ProPilot. Right now we're in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and we're right on the highway here. So I'm going to activate the ProPilot, and what it does is it keeps you a safe distance from the car in front of you using the intelligent cruise control, and it uses the lane intervention to keep you centered in your lane. You know, if you're doing those long trips and you're getting bored, it will really just help keep you from fatiguing and keep you centered in the lane, and I do really like using it. So now that I've jumped on the highway, all you need to do is push your ProPilot Assist button when you're at your cruising speed and hit set, and then it's going to sync, and you'll see it on your heads-up display if your car is equipped with heads-up display, but mainly you'll see it on your center screen here. And I have this set at 2 car lengths, so it's going to set me 2 car lengths from the car in front of me, and it's going to keep me a safe distance from that car. And then it will keep me centered in the lane. So if I deviate from this lane a little bit, I can feel the car kind of pushing me back in. So it's really easy to use, and you just need to kind of concentrate on staying centered and keeping your hands on the wheel, and it will really maintain its speed and maintain its course for you, which is what I like. Now, what happens if you take your hand off the wheel for too long, just like this? If I keep my hands off the wheel, it's about a 10-second delay before it's going to notify me, and here it's notifying me like, hey, put your hands back on the wheel, and it's beeping at me. And if I leave my hands off the wheel for longer, it is going to shut off the ProPilot Assist, and you'll have to take over, obviously, again manually. Now, if you need to change lanes while you're using the ProPilot Assist, all you have to do is signal to change lanes, and the lane intervention shuts off, and I can make my lane change when it's clear, turn my signal off, and it's going to detect the middle lanes now, and it's going to lock you into the middle lanes. So really easy feature there. So hopefully this helps you guys with the ProPilot Assist. If you guys are having trouble, do comment. I'm doing this updated video for 2024 now that they've changed a few things, but it's a really lovely feature in the Nissan Rogue, and really I don't think I'd buy another car that doesn't have a feature like this. So comment, and if you guys are new here, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.